Tips and tricks. Having trouble connecting your GEARWRENCH diagnostic tool? Here are some quick tips and tricks to keep you up and running. Tip 1. Choose the correct app. Choosing the correct app for your GEARWRENCH diagnostic tool is easy. If you purchase the GW Scan Everyday Diagnostic Tool, you will need to download the GW Scan app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. If you purchase the GW Smart BT Professional Bidirectional Diagnostic Tool, download the GW Smart BT app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure you download the correct app for your tool to ensure the best performance and full access to all features. Tip 2. The indicator light, green to blue. Your tool light should change from green to blue when it's connected properly. Check that the VCI is fully inserted into the OBD2 port. Remove and insert it firmly. If the connection is still loose, try an OBD2 extension cable for stability. Other common issues: vehicle compatibility. Make sure your car supports OBD2. Check out GEARWRENCH.com for detailed vehicle compatibility and coverage information. App permissions. Allow Bluetooth or Wi-Fi access when prompt.